Going on these lights doesn't help that the painters hit it, but you see how you can see up in there? It's not good. One trick, it's not really a trick for these, but it has an extension on here that you can slide the bulb down. So I'm just going to take that bulb, slide it down, and already that does a lot to cover the inner part. You know, obviously it's not perfect, and using a bigger bulb would definitely cover that better, but it just makes it a lot better than what it is. This one, the bulbs and paint's going to need to be cleaned off. It's an LED bulb. Yeah, but you can slide it down. I like it so it just kind of pokes through just a tiny bit like that. It gives it a little bit of a rounded look. Here you go. A little glaring to see, but you get the idea. Yeah, a little bit nicer.